Welcome to our geometry practice. In this section, we're going to find the segment lengths in circles. The first three practice, they are the same type of problems. We're going to use segments of Chords Theorem. Recall that in a circle, when we have two chords that intersect at one point, and each chord will have two segments. Let us look at the first one. We have a segment says length is 23, and the segment says length is x. We can go ahead and write down 23, x. And then we have this. This segment is also 23. By the way, it's not drawn to scale. So please, when you see this type of question, do not attempt to measure it. We're going to calculate it. So this one is also 23, and this segment of the chord is 15. Let us write down. We have 23 and 15. What is the relationship? The relationship is if I multiply the two segments of this yellow chord, let us multiply it. And I multiply the two segments of this blue chord. We're going to multiply it. And they equal. Therefore, we can cancel out 23, x is 15. That is problem 1. Before we keep going, let us review segments of Chords Theorem. If two chords intersect in the interior of a circle, then the product of lengths of the segments of one chord is equal to the product of the lengths of the segments of other chord. Now, with this in mind, we can go ahead and write down 6 times x equals, let's look at the other one, 3 times 4. So we can go ahead and write down 3 times 4 is 12. Therefore, x is 2. Done. All right, how about you try this all by yourself? Let us see what you have. Did you set up as x times 12 is 6 times, don't forget your open close parenthesis. All right, this is what I do. 12 is 2 times 6. Therefore, I can cancel out 6. I can erase it. And, excuse me. Now, I have 2x equals, these guys can come out, x plus 4, minus x each side, x is 4. All done. This is how we use segments of Chords Theorem.